Okay, how crazy is this? I'm removing the fuel cap for the first time ever. Let's put some fuel cap. Oil cap for the first time ever. Let's put some oil on this thing. What am I going to use for the new break-in oil, you ask? We're going to use some Castrol GTX straight from Walmart. We have some 20W50 and some 10W30. We are just going to mix those two. I've heard that on a completely empty engine like this one, we're going to need about 11 quarts. Oh, and a very important thing, if you're one of those people that sometimes takes off the oil filter and fills up that canister with oil first to pre-fill the oil filter, do not, under any circumstances, do that on this car when you are firing it up for the first time. You can really damage it. I won't get into all of the why about it, but trust me, don't do that. I'll let you guys argue and debate all you want down below in the comments as to what you put in it, but this is what we're going with. Did I spill this? No, not at all. Why would you ask? This is the weirdest fill thing I have ever used. Try to use a funnel, but it kind of like backs up and goes super slow. Gonna put something under it to prop it up, give it a little more gravity action. Give me some tips on how to properly use this thing. All right, here's what I ended up doing. I just poured it straight like this, resting it over here. Worked pretty well, just went nice and slow. So 10 quarts, 5 quarts of this stuff, 5 quarts of that one. And that is it. What we're gonna do is tomorrow we're gonna start the car with 10 quarts in it. After it cools down completely, after the first start, I am going to use the electronic measurement and we will top it off from there. Fantastic. There we go. All right, so Pentosin, it says CHF 11S right there in the lid. Pentosin CHF 11S right here. Got this bad boy on Amazon. It was like $22 or something like that, a cool liter. I bought 2 of these because I don't know how much I'm gonna need. It's got a little bleeder cap thing here. I guess I'm gonna open it. I don't know when else it would be open. If not when you're filling it up. All right, let's remove this. System is completely empty now. Long funny funnel, and let's start filling it up. Just gonna tuck a rag down here in case we spill. And that's why we have the rag. It started overflowing a little bit right here. And I've probably used 3/4 of the can. All right. And doesn't seem to be going down on its own right now. Put our little cap back on. And I assume that the first time we actually use the power steering, it's gonna get drawn more into the system. We'll have to top it off later. Don't mind us. Just fueling, put some gas in, getting ready for the start tomorrow.